Very good. Do you have any questions?
Uh, yes, sir.
Yeah,
So just one question.
yeah.
Out of all the questions they ask, sir, considering my graduation, sir, do you think there is going to be some questions from mechanical engineering?
Possibly, yes. If there is somebody
Okay.
who has studied mechanical
Yes.
engineering, he can ask you what is two-stroke engine, what is four-stroke engine, what is,
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
know. So
Yes.
many other questions they can ask. I am not competent in that, so I am not asking you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, you are
Yes.
managing other questions nicely. Is this the first time you are appearing for interview?
Yes, sir. The first time.
In
Yes.
the college, have you attended some interviews?
Yes, sir. I have attended interviews in college, and yes, I have.
Which interviews?
Sir, I attended interview for TCS, and sir, I attended interview for ZAT, that is Xavier Aptitude Test. Sir,
Okay.
that is like CAT. Yes.
Acha. TCS were you not selected,
Sir, I was selected, sir.
but you did not join.
No, sir, I did not join.
Oh, why? What is the reason?
Sir, because sir, while appearing for the interview, sir, I thought that I'll get the posting in Bhubaneswar and I will study at the same time work, but sir, that did not happen, so I did
Where
not
did they
join.
post you?
Sir,
Where did they post?
sir, Tiruvananthapuram, Trivandrum.
अभी भी हम लोग भी ऐसा करेंगे आईबीपीएस में आपको डालेगा कन्याकुमारी में क्या करेंगे आप
Sir, yes, but now I am done studying, so sir, that aspect is not there anymore.
so will you
Sir,
be
at that time I wanted to.
so
Yes.
you don't mind moving around to Kanyakumari where is Kanyakumari
Sir, Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु
And
तमिलनाडु का चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन है
sir, Pinay Rajan.
एडपाडी
Sir,
पळनिचामी
Palniswamy, yes.
I know
Correct.
when you North Indian girls talk about it, you break the name into two. कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा, who is our governor? Tamil Nadu governor.
Uh,
Banwari
sir,
Lal Purohit.
Banwari Lal Purohit.
Very good. Excellent. No problem. When is your interview?
Sir, my SBI interview is on 5th and IBPS is on 10th.
SBI also you are appearing.
Yes, yes, sir.
Acha, tell me about some of the gold, say loan schemes offered by SBI. Famous loan schemes
Uh,
offered by SBI.
Sir, I'm not sure.
Did you not go through the website?
Uh, no, sir, I haven't done that yet.
Why? Why have you not gone through that? That's first
Sir,
of all, you
actually,
must go through the website to know what it is.
yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
only
yes.
you can. Then only you can answer the question. Their
Yes,
website is so nice. Even today,
yes,
there is
sir.
news about State Bank of India. They have told they have reduced the home loan interest rate to
Yes, yes, sir.
6.70.
Today morning I. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
6.70 they have offered. What is YONO?
Sir, that is YONO. And sir, YONO.
What is YONO?
Uh, sir, that is the mobile banking system which is provided by SBI.
Okay.
Uh,
Hmm.
for
Sir, it's a mobile banking app of SBI Bank.
No, YONO is a facility, na? What?
Mobile platform.
Mobile platform, na? YONO.
yes,
YONO means what? YONO, I'm just reading
You
out.
only need one.
Ah,
You only need one.
You only need one.
correct. You only need one is an integrated digital banking platform offered by State Bank of India to enable users to access a variety of financial and other services such as flight, train, bus, and taxi bookings, online shopping, or medical bill payments. YONO is offered as a smartphone app for both Android and iOS. What is iOS? Ankita, what is iOS?
Yes. Uh, Sir, iOS is an operating system
What I का
in
expansion क्या है?
computer.
I का expansion क्या है? Internet
Sir, it
operating
is
system.
integrated
No,
internet. I
no.
guess integrated operating
Anybody
system.
knows what is iOS? iOS Apple बोलता है. Mobile operating
Yes,
system
sir.
by Apple.
Operating system. Yes, sir.
iOS, formerly known as iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system just like Android. समझ गया?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. Not bad.
Okay.
We will move on to Gayatri. You have already attended Karnataka. Now we will go to Gayatri. Would you like to ask some questions to Ankita? Hello. The voice is not.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Now put some question to put question to Manisha, who is going to follow you. Come on, ask question to Manisha. Y- Your voice is not coming out.
What makes to come banking?
Pardon, what is?
What makes you to come for bank?
Acha acha. Manisha Bajaj, what makes you opt
Yes, sir.
for banking?
Sir, my dream job is to become a banker.
Uh-huh. Good. Continue.
Yes, sir, and especially I am from the commerce background, so which pursued me to continue my career in banking.
Good. So, can you elaborate something more? Why? What makes you have an interest in banking? You must tell the advantages are coming to banking, the reason why you are choosing banking as a career, some plus points in banking. ये सब बोलने से अच्छा होता है. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Panipat.
Panipat. Oh Baba. When did second battle of Panipat take place? With who were the people who contested it?
1556,
Ah,
and Hima Amid, and another person I don't remember.
what is this? Anybody can tell about second battle of Panipat? Come on. It's a very famous question. Panipat. You must know that Panipat. Yeah. Second battle of Panipat. Second battle of Panipat was fought on 5th November 1556 between Hindu Emperor of North India, Hemu, and the forces of Mughal Emperor Akbar. That is why it is famous. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is why it is famous. It was fought by Akbar. Can you name a few Mughal emperors? Manisha Bajaj.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Humayun, Akbar, Babur.
You are forgetting important person, Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb, yes, sir.
Aurangzeb was a good king or a bad king for Hindus.
I
Hello.
don't know.
I don't know.
No, I don't.
Achha, you are from which state actually?
Sir. Yes, sir.
You are from Uttar Pradesh or which state?
No, sir, Haryana.
Haryana. Haryana, though you are very close. Tell me something about Kurukshetra.
Kurukshetra.
Anji. What is Kurukshetra? Why it is being remembered by most of us?
I don't know.
Oh, Kurukshetra is a place where that's a battle between Pandavas and Kauravas took place. 16 days war or some 18 days war, I don't know. So you must remember that, and there some say exhibition is also kept. No, I remember to have visited that when I went to Chandigarh. Kurukshetra is in Haryana or in Punjab? Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
Kurukshetra is in which state? You
Sir,
don't
it
know.
is in Haryana only.
Then you don't know about it. Why? You don't know about Panipat. You don't know about Kurukshetra. Who is your governor? Tell me.
Sir, Satyadev Narayan Arya.
Who is your chief minister?
Sir, Manohar Lal Khattar.
Why many people from Haryana are in Delhi now? Hundreds and thousands of people are in, farmers are in Delhi. Why?
So they find more opportunities there.
What opportunities?
Farmer protest.
What opportunities, Baba?
Sir, against the farm bill.
farm bill against the farm
Farm
bill.
protest.
Yes, sir. Farm bills.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं जी, वो तो स्ट्राइक के लिए किया है, समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
गुड. व्हाट इज योर फादर?
So my father is a businessman.
व्हाट बिजनेस?
Sir, real estate.
Oh, रियल एस्टेट मीन्स वेरी वेरी बिग बिजनेस ना. कभी अच्छा चलता है, कभी लो.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very good. Sometimes good, sometimes very bad. Why the prices of real estate is going up and down? Manisha,
Yes, sir.
tell me
Sir, due to the price fluctuations,
why?
uh, depending upon the prices of the other commodities.
No, not necessary. Not necessary. If the price of gold increases, this also should increase. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Depending on the demand. Depending on the demand for the money and more depending on the supply of money in the market. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Manisha, why should you not go to your daddy's business? बहुत अच्छा होता है जी. रोज एक आदमी को लेके लैंड को शो करना, बाद में बिक्री करना, उसको कमीशन लेना, पैकेट पूरा भर जाएगा जी. उसमें से
No,
कुछ
sir.
उसमें से कुछ अकाउंट में आएगा, कुछ अकाउंट में नहीं आएगा. कितना बढ़िया बिजनेस है. आपको क्यों इंटरेस्ट नहीं, बताओ?
No, sir, because there is no proper income in that. Matlab, few months we are having income and other few months we are not having income, so there is no stability in the income. So I always prefer where I get a fixed income per month.
Oh.
So
अच्छा. So supposing somebody gives you a job for 1 lakh, which is not stable, and gives you a job for 10,000 permanent job, which one will you take? Manisha.
sir, I will prefer the per month income.
Oh.
Suppose if 1 month I am getting 1 lakh and other 11 months I am not giving any income, then I will definitely prefer 10,000 per month and adjust my all the expenses according to that.
When did you complete your BCom?
Sir, in 2019.
Acha. How many marks did you score?
Sir, 77%.
What are the
graduation.
subjects you studied?
Sir, company law, accounting, marketing, management, auditing.
Which subject would you like me to ask question?
Sir, your choice.
Can I ask in marketing?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what are 4 P's?
Yes, sir. Price, place, promotion. Promotion.
Price, place, promotion. दूसरा वाला छोड़ दिया आपने. Very important.
Price, product, place, promotion. Yes, sir.
Product.
Yes, sir. Price,
Yeah.
product, place, promotion.
Yeah. You are introducing a new product for banking. How will you go on canvassing for the clientele? Manisha Bajaj.
Sir, I will explore the. I will firstly. I will introduce the features that is. It is easily affordable and durable and durability I will tell, and easily available.
बैंक का प्रोडक्ट का ड्यूरेबिलिटी कहाँ होता है? यू आर मार्केटिंग अ बैंक प्रोडक्ट से डिपॉजिट और एडवांस,
Okay.
तब तो ड्यूरेबिलिटी का पॉइंट नहीं आएगा ना.
Okay, sir. Banking products, if I will focus, then they are easily available and they are cheaper and
Good. Can you tell something on social environment in relation to banking?
the social environment is must because in banking we have to communicate with the customers. So without good social environment, we just can't communicate with the people. So communication skill is must for to create a better environment.
Can you tell me something about e-advertising?
E-advertising, sir, when advertising is done through electronic mode, it is known as e-advertising. Like the various websites like the Myntra, Flipkart, eBay, and
What is cyber marketing?
cyber marketing.
Cyber marketing is a no-nonsense structured guide to using the internet for marketing and is essential reading for all marketeers and managers who need to know how to use the internet to promote and sell their product and services. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Somewhat.
Can you
Yes, sir.
expand CRM
CRM.
in
Cash
relation
retail.
in relation
Cash
to
retail.
manage in relation to marketing?
CRM. Cash relation management.
Customer relationship management.
Customer relationship management.
Customer relationship management. Can you tell a few terms used in digital marketing?
Digital marketing. Sir, firstly the digital electronic mode and the
SMS,
buyer, the
SMS,
buyer
spam.
is the buyer customer and
No. SMS, spam, widget, WIDGET, push, blog, banner ad, social bookmarking, subscribe, targeting, pros, blocked, like that. Okay? You are not familiar with marketing. Which interview are you appearing? SBI or IBPS?
sir IBPS PO.
IBPS PO, fine. Have you heard of the term green banking?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, green banking. Sir, I don't remember.
Green banking means promoting environmentally friendly practices and reducing your carbon footprints from your banking activities.
Is it paperless marketing?
Green banking aims at improving the operation technology along with making the client's habits environment friendly. It is like normal banking along with the consideration for social as well as environmental factors for protecting the environment. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you heard of the term money laundering? What is it?
Money laundering.
Commerce. Manisha Koirala. Tell me. Who is Manisha Koirala?
I don't know.
Monisha Koirala, you don't know. No job for you. She was a famous actress, na?
Okay, sir.
Monisha Koirala. She was not Manisha. She was Monisha Koirala. She is a girl. She is a lady from somewhere Nepal or so. She came to Hindi film. She acted in some Tamil movie, Mudalvan and all that. And also many Hindi movies. Other boys must be knowing. Chandan will know. Chandan, you know Monisha Koirala?
Yes, sir. Hindi too, sir.
Ah, you know. Good. See,
Sir,
Manish.
her father was in politics. BP
Ah,
Koirala.
yeah. He was in politics. Correct. Good. So, okay, Manisha, last question for you. Something you must answer me correctly so that I will leave you. What is a check?
Yes, sir.
What is a check? Sigachi?
Check.
Ah,
Check. So check is a financial instrument.
ah.
And it comes under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881.
Good. Very good. Very good. Who
It
are
is an
the?
instruction which is given to a banker to pay a certain amount.
Ah. Good. Who are the parties involved in this?
The drawer, drawee, and the payee.
Super. Pass mark. Pass mark for you. At least 8 out of 10. No problem. We will go to our Sonali Ji. Sonali has been coming to our class for 2. This is third class or second class, Sonali? Fourth class. Acha, acha. Sonali, again and again forgetting your degree. What is the degree?
Sir, I've been BSc Computer Science.
बीएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस. हमको एल्बम अभी है, बहुत क्वेश्चन रखा है मेरा पास. हाँ, रेडी, स्टडी, go. Many questions are there with me. It is there in the 10 pages booklet itself. Did you go through that, Sonali?
No, sir, I don't know about that booklet.
What is a network? Tell me.
Sir, network is interconnection of computers that shares the data.
What is difference between router and switcher?
Sir, router helps to pass the data or network, and switch is used to, you know,
Hmm.
it helps as a gateway, sir.
Hmm?
It helps like a gateway,
Okay. What is a topology?
So topology, it is a type of network in which computers can be connected. So there are many types of topologies like bus topologies, star topology, tree topology, etc.
Which topology is most suitable for banks?
Sir,
Similarly, which type of network is used in core banking solution? What are ports and why we use it? जानते हैं?
so what are?
Ports, PORTS. USB port, some port like that.
Two devices, they're called as port.
Oh, what is optical fiber?
So it is a type of wire which is used to transmit the, transfer the connection.
Okay, what is cyber crime and how one can deal with it?
So cyber crime, sir, in this data of a person is used to harass someone, or it is used in a wrong way, in wrong manner.
Hmm.
And so there are various methods to control it.
Hmm.
Many softwares are used nowadays to control cyber crime nowadays.
Okay, define protocol.
So protocols are some measures that are used to use a device.
Hmm. Are there different protocols? Hello?
I don't remember.
The official protocol means official procedure or system of rules governing affairs. That is not correct. Or diplomatic document. That is also not. A set of rules governing exchange, transmission of data between devices is protocol. What is, how are protocols implemented like that? Definition of protocol meaning protocol Dictionary is telling that is not required. A network protocol is a set of established rules that dictates how to format, transmit, and receive data. So, computer network devices from servers and routers to endpoints can communicate regardless of differences in their underlying stand infrastructure, designs और standards. समझ गया? आप इसका बारे में पढ़ना है जी. You have to read.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now let me come to banking for you.
जी sir.
What is NPA?
Sir,
And-
NP is non-profitable asset.
Uh,
Should I define?
yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay. Sir, NPAs are defined on some basis. Like in case of agriculture, whenever a farmer do not pay the installment for one season of long crop and 2 season of short crops, then it is defined as NPA. In case of term based loans, so when three installments are not paid or it is not paid for 90 days, then it is defined as NPA.
No, 90 days it is defined as NPA, right. In the case of long-term finance given to agriculture, only one harvest, if it is not paid, then it is considered as NPA. Can you tell me how we can use SARFAESI Act for recovering money?
Sir, so can I speak in Hindi?
Why not? Please.
सर सरफेसी को एसिड रिकवरी के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. अभी गवर्नमेंट ने एक तो उसमें अमेंडमेंट भी किया था कि पहले उसमें 50 लाख तक की या उससे ज़्यादा के जो एनपीज होते थे, जो लोन्स होते थे, उनको ही रिकवर किया जाता था. अब उसमें 20 लाख के या उससे ज़्यादा के जो लोन्स हैं उनको रिकवर किया जाएगा.
No, that is DRT. DRT is 20 lakhs and above. SARFAESI Act, I think, tells only 1 lakh. No? Only condition is 80% of the loan should not have been paid. Some condition is there. And
Sir, she's right, sir.
what is
Sir,
it?
recently in the budget,
Ah.
there has been an amendment regarding this, sir. Earlier, the cases that deal with 50 lakhs or above were considered and were fall under this category. But nowadays, the amount has been reduced to 20 lakhs.
Acha.
So that more cases can be,
Filed.
more NPAs can be.
Covered under this. Very good, very good. Excellent. Who is telling this?
Ramanpreet Kaur.
Raman. Yeah. Good. Excellent. So SARFAESI Act का बारे में you please tell. Continue. How will you proceed under SARFAESI? Tell me.
For me,
Sonali only. Sonali,
जी सर.
please tell me how will you proceed under SARFAESI Act. पहले ये बोलना है, उनको नोटिस देना है, 60 days नोटिस, फिर भी वो नहीं देने से देन पोसेशन लेना है, उसका बाद में एडवर्टाइज करना है, बाद में प्रॉपर्टी को सेल को ब्रिंग करना थ्रू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ऑक्शन. अभी बताइए. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी हाउ विल यू प्रोसीड अंडर SARFAESI Act.
सर सबसे पहले जब 90 डेज हो जाते हैं तो उसके बाद उनको रिकवर करने के लिए उनको एक नोटिस भेजा जाता है. जब 60 डेज के लिए उनको टाइम दिया जाता है, अगर उससे भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आता है तो फिर पोजीशन दी जाती है उनकी प्रॉपर्टी की.
करेक्ट.
और सर उस पोजीशन को फिर ई ऑक्शन के थ्रू सेल किया जाता है.
गुड. आफ्टर गिविंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन द न्यूज़पेपर्स. समझ गया?
हाँ जी.
Very good. You told this one nicely. Can you tell me the difference between savings bank account, current account? Sonali,
Yes sir.
tell me.
So the main difference is of interest provided. So there is no rate of interest is provided in current accounts, but there is rate of interest provided in saving accounts.
Correct.
And the number of transactions provided, there's a limited transaction provided in saving bank. We can do a lot of transactions, but we are charged for that.
Beyond some limit.
A lot of transaction.
Yeah, beyond some limit. Good. What is RAFA?
Sir, Rafa.
हाँ, कासा बोल दिया, राफा क्या है?
Sir, recurring account and fixed deposit
Recurring
account.
and fixed deposit account.
Correct. Recurring and fixed deposit. Sonali, please tell me what is Sensex?
Sir, Sensex. Sir,
Yeah. What does it indicate?
Sir, Sensex defines the number of IPOs, sir, number of shares multiplied with their amount that shows as Sensex.
No. Sensex is an indicator of Bombay Stock Exchange index. It varies from day to day. Yesterday it was how much? BSC Sensex? Some 49,850. Can you name currencies which are traded more? What are the currencies that are traded more? Sonali.
Sir, dollar.
Okay. Then क्या हुआ?
Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रहे हैं. टेल मी. अच्छा, आर यू स्पीकिंग एंड आवाज नहीं आता है? सोनाली, हेलो,
जी सर.
आर यू स्पीकिंग?
जी सर जी.
अच्छा, इधर आवाज नहीं आता है. वन इज यूएस डॉलर, सेकंड
सर, यूरोस.
हाँ,
The pound.
ब्रिटिश पाउंड स्टर्लिंग. देन जापान का करेंसी नाम क्या है?
Yuan.
Yen.
जापानीज येन. करेक्ट. चाइना का करेंसी?
Yuan. Renminbi. Yuan.
हाँ, renminbi और yuan. Correct. Now last question for Sonali. Sonali. Now you are going to gold market. Why people invest in gold? Tell me.
Sir,
Come on.
सर जैसे कि समटाइम्स जो गोल्ड है, गोल्ड के प्राइसेस जो है समटाइम्स हाइक करते हैं. तो whenever we invest in gold, we will get some profit.
Gold is
Liquid.
used as an investment.
Most easily.
Gold is used as investment and can also be sold easily. Good. That's a good point. It can be sold easily compared to supposing we have some house, we cannot sell it immediately. Supposing we have a car or motorcycle, we cannot sell it easily. Whereas if it is in the form of gold, we can sell it easily. समझ गया?
Sir, gold is a highly liquid where we can get any time if we want required cash, we can get by selling that gold according to today's gold price.
Yeah, according to the rates. Yeah. Today, I was about to ask you, Sonali, what is the rate now roughly? Gold का rate 1 ग्राम का कितना होता है?
Sir, maybe.
Maybe.
Sir, I don't know.
I don't know.
45,000.